Myself, Vaishnavee from SNS College of Engineering in the Department of Information Technology. Now let us see about the operators on string. So what are the operators can be used in a string? So as we all know that concatenation. Concatenation of the string is nothing but combining the two strings. For example, here the plus operator is used for string concatenation. It is nothing but combining the two different strings or two similar strings. It is said to be a string concatenation. So in this example, we have seen that the variable a holds the value high, the string is high, and the variable b holds the value, that is a string how or you. So these two are the strings which we are going to concatenate, that is we are going to combine. So as we see here, c is equal to a plus b. We combine this two variable using the plus operator. Here the plus operator between the string acts as a concatenation operator, and it stores the concatenate value in the c. If we print the c, we will get that hi, how are you as a together output. As we see the output in the right side, it shows here. When we print c, it gives the hi, how are you. So whenever we want to concatenate two strings, we use the plus operator. The plus operator will act as addition between the integers, and it will perform concatenation when it comes between the strings. This is the difference. So now let us see the operators. What are the operators we can use on string? So the concatenated strings with the star operator can create multiple concatenated copies. For example, it will combine and give multiple copies. So in this example, if we give that print Python, so it is a string which is given. The asterisk symbol is used as a multiple symbol here as usual into 10. So it will give the Python 10 times by combined. As you see the output here, Python, 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 Python. It gives 10 times the Python. So whenever you want to concatenate multiple copies, we will go with the asterisk symbol with that particular string and then count. Next, as we all know about string slicing, it is also one of the operation in string which is used to return or select or slice the particular substring based on user requirement. For example, dividing the strings, we have a very good morning. So it is a single string. So we want to split it very good morning. Like this, for this purpose we use string slicing. So a segment of a string is called slice. So the syntax for this is string variable name. So the variable which we are going to slice, we are going to use that string variable name. And here we have two options, start and end. Start is nothing but from the beginning. So here it will act as an index position of each character in that string. So beginning is said to be start, and the last which we are going to slice is said to be end. So as we saw an example here we have a hello. So hello is stored in a string yes. So as we all said that, which has each character stored in an index, and from the beginning it starts from 0 to 4. That is, it have 5 letters. The index begins with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is said to be positive indexing. When it comes to negative indexing, it's from the reverse, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, whereas the -1 starts from the last letter of the string. So if you see the output which is given here the given, as we know that the syntax is string variable name, start and end. Here we give that the start is 1 and end is 4. So it must print ELLO. Why it didn't print ELL? It print only ELL. Why not it print O? Because it is n-1 concept, as we all know in the previous looping concepts. So it avoids O, because whenever it reaches 4, it will not execute. So it starts from the index position 1. The value in the index position is ELL. So what about the next? We gave only the beginning but not the end. If we didn't describe any end value, then it will print the value started from towards the end. Even if it is 50 characters, it will print. So it starts from 1. So the one index position is E. Since the end is not mentioned, it will print whole string. So it printed LLO. And the third, if you look into it, there is no beginning and there is no end. So it prints the string which starts from the beginning until the string characters end. So it will print the whole word hello. So as for your surprise, we see that in the fourth statement, the beginning is 1 and end is 100. Even though we have only 5 characters here, we give 100. The string will print only the number of characters in that string. Even though the limit is exceeded, it won't bother. So it gives ELLO. And the next is nothing but a negative index s minus 1. It prints the value that is in minus 1, that is O. Similarly here, if we give a 2 index that is without step index, it will never bother, it will print the whole string. And if you print minus 3, so if it is minus 3, it will count from minus 5 to minus 3. So minus 5 and minus 4 it will print. So it is said to be HE. This is about string slicing.